Hi everyone, Grant K here for the Flame Premium Learning channel. In the previous video, we went through the workspace libraries and how the desktop workflow has changed the nature of the library in all the Flame products. In this video, we take a look at the shared libraries and collaborative workflows that have also been influenced by the desktop workflow. Firstly, let's take a big step back. It's important to remind us that the library is part of the current workspace. This was explained in great depth in the previous video detailing the project workspace. So thinking about collaborative workflows with multiple Flame Premiums, Luster, Flares, and Flame Assist, each system will have its own workspace within the main project. And by having a workspace, each system has its own library. So this library is totally tied to this workspace, and you cannot share it across workspaces. In order to share work collaboratively between multiple systems and workspaces within the same project, you use the shared libraries. This is a separate section in the media panel because the shared libraries sit at the project level and not inside the workspace. Therefore, any system logged into the same project will see the identical shared libraries regardless of their own workspace. There is actually no difference in functionality between the libraries and the shared libraries. The only difference, which I mentioned earlier, is that the shared libraries are detached from the workspace within the project structure. Collaboratively speaking, Flame Premium, Luster, Flare, and Flame Assist use the libraries within their own workspaces to focus on their tasks in the production pipeline. Next, all applications share their work across the project by saving into the shared libraries. At this point, everything becomes accessible to all systems using this workflow in the same project. In order to save your work into the shared libraries, you need to acquire exclusive access. This is done using the contextual menu. Please note that with exclusive access, it is also the only time you can delete a shared library. Read-only shared libraries cannot be deleted. Once you're done, it's polite to release the exclusive access. This means someone else can also save his or her work into the specific shared library. And everyone has access to the saved desktop with all the components, content, and setups. As an extra tip, go into the Preferences and choose the General options. Under the Shared Libraries header, you can set the shared library refresh time. This means you can increase or decrease the time before the shared libraries auto-refresh. The next option is the Lock Timeout slider. When you have acquired write access to a shared library, but you have not used it for a certain period of time, the write access will time out after the specified time. This means that the other systems accessing the shared libraries do not have to wait for you to release the write access if you forgot about it. It's a small feature, but useful during collaborative work. So this concludes the video series on the desktop workflow of Flame Premium 2016. I hope you have found this useful, and please check out the channel for more training. Comments, feedback, and suggestions are always welcome and appreciated. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the Flame Premium Learning channel for future videos.